Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Lokshi Tutorial. Today I am saying interesting seminar in front of you great people like you. Now I am saying complete seminar regarding heredity. Do you know friends what is heredity? Yes, exactly. Heredity is nothing but the new acquired characters is passed one generation to another generation is known as heredity. In the heredity, new characters and new variations are will be occur in the one generation to another generation. Here, one generation to another generation is also required as F1 generation and F2 generation. The new characters and variations. Do you know friends what is variations? Yes, exactly. Variations is nothing but different in groups are closely related and different functions is known as variations. And the new characters is nothing but the parent cell contain new characters and the next generation will acquire some new characters. Here the characters are changed. So here we will conclude that new characters are passed into one generation to another generation. Journal, he is a scientist. He did a experiment in the above 9,000 plants of pea plant. Here he concluded five characters. Bisexual flower. Here he concluded pea plant. Bisexual flower, unisexual flower, and self-pollination, self-fertilization. It is an annual plant. The pea plant contain it is an annual plant because the pea plant will do the self-fertilization and self-pollination. The pea plant contain the bisexual flowers and also contain unisexual flower. We will move to next topic. Sex determination. Do you know friends what is sex determination? Yes, exactly. Sex determination is nothing but the male contain XY chromosomes and female contain XX chromosomes. Here 22 chromosomes contain one allosome contain. Here 22 X plus Y and 22 X plus X. Here chromosomes are combined together with the help of allosomes and chromosomes. When the 22 X plus Y will cross to the X plus X, the X plus Y will become no higher male baby will form. And when X plus X will come, the female baby. Because here X plus is female chromosomes and X plus Y contain male chromosomes. Do you know friends, the male is responsible for the gender of baby because when the 22 X plus Y chromosomes will release fastly, the male baby will come. When the 22 X plus Y chromosomes will react slowly, the female baby will come. Next, invention of DNA. Do you know friends the full form of DNA? Yes, exactly. The DNA is nothing but deoxyribonucleic acid. In 1953, in America, Cambridge, the Watson and Crick, he detailed structure manner. He founded the DNA. DNA contain thiamine, niamine, this like bonds with the help of nitrogen. The DNA contain the new acquired characters with the help of progeny. Here, the Watson and Crick, these are the two scientists are founded the detailed structure of DNA. And we will move to next topic, Darwinism. Do you know friends who is Darwin? Yes, he is a great scientist. He proposed a book like Principle of Geology. Here we will know about the embryology, what are fossils, and the invention of great human evolutions, or we will know about the principle of geology. And next, Lamarckism. Do you know friends what is Lamarckism? The Lamarck is a great scientist and he proposed the acquired characters will move one generation to another generation. And the Darwin also in one island the finch birds are founded. And homologous organs. Do you know friends what is homologous organs? Yes, homologous organs is nothing but same structure and different function. Example, in human contain hands and bats contain the wings. Here we will conclude that the hands will be do work, but in bat we will observe means the wings will useful for flying. and analogous organs. Do you know, friends, what is analogous organs? Different structure, same function. Here we will conclude that the human contain legs and some animals contain different legs. Here we will using for running and walking. They will also for using for running and walking. Here we will conclude that the analogous organs and the homologous organs will pass the acquired character animal to human being also. And vestigial organ. Do you know, friends, how many vestigial organs are present in our body? Yes, exactly 180. 180 vestigial organ are present in our body. The example for the vestigial organ in our body is hair, nails, etc. These are the vestigial organ in our body. Our appendix also a waste material. And we will move to next topic. The sex determination 22 x plus y when the cross with x plus x. Here the sex determination process will occur. And next, human evolution. Do you know, friends, what is human evolution? Yes, exactly. The human evolution is nothing but the new acquired characters are passed in the human. I will I will tell the new acquired characters in the human being and the flowchart also. Diopithecus, Ramapithecus, Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthalensis, and Chromo again and modern man. The another name for modern man is Homo sapien. Homo sapien is also known as modern man. Do you know, friends, what are fossils? Yes, exactly. Fossils are nothing but the generating power system. With the help of fossils, we will generate the power with and the coal, petroleum. With the help of fossils, we will move the transportation of coal and petroleum with the help of generating system. The definition of fossils is the ancient system of plant and animals is known as what the fossils. The fossil fuels is very helpful for the generating the power system for construction of dams and many more power generating system. And in the human evolution, above the 15 million years, the human is present in the on the earth. And next we will move to next topic. Law of dominance. Do you know, friends, what is law of dominance? Yes, exactly. The law of dominance is nothing but a character contain very big body. Here, a very big body, a thin man and fat man. Here, fat man is defined as a law of dominance. And next we will move to next topic. Law of segregation. Do you know, friends, what is law of segregation? Yes, exactly. Law of segregation is nothing but opposite to the law of dominance. Nothing but here the dominance is big means the segregation is low. Here we will conclude that the law of segregation is quietly opposite to the law of dominance. I hope you understood my lesson. Thanks for spending valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe. Sir.